Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Another very pleasant day coming ahead and for the next several days. Thank you to Mr. Bob Harlan and his weather report. All right, last night the culinary expedition continued in Luxembourg. Very small country. Not the smallest though. I prepared Bohnenschlup, also known as green bean soup. It was good. I actually combined two recipes for the same soup, but just a couple different techniques, a couple different methods, some different ingredients. It was good. Would I repeat this? Yes. Basically, it is a ultra-heighted green bean vegetable soup with bacon, and I used smoked bratwurst. Yeah. The only herbs and spices in the soup, salt and pepper. That's it. So the bacon, the sausage, and the vegetables carry all the flavors. Yep. All right. On to our next country in the culinary expedition, which is Indonesia. Back to one of my favorite regions of the world. There's not a bad area for me. I'm not going to attempt the native language on this. But basically, it's an Indonesian chicken curry with Thai basil. I will happily exclaim that I have kept the bouquet of Thai basil alive since Saturday. That's a feat for me. All right, let's get to it. Some simple hardware today. Got the brazier out. I'm actually going to serve this over rice. I haven't determined which one yet, but I'll figure that out later. All right. So it's a chicken dish. So this is just a little bit over 8 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Ghee. I'll be dicing up a couple tomatoes. Lime juice. Salt. Just a little bit of sugar, some green onion. That's just for the chicken portion. There's a bunch of herbs that I can't find here, period. But the one I do have is the comfire lime leaves, but I believe the recipe wants it fresh. Well, good luck. But I have dried. And then for what they call the paste portion, yellow onion, ginger, garlic. I'm going to be using Thai chilies, lemongrass powder, turmeric, and macadamia nuts. So there's all these goodies. And like I mentioned, I bought this last Saturday at the farmer's market. This is Thai basil from Young Family Farms. I have kept it alive and green and looking really, really good. So yeah. Of course, food processor's out because of the paste. So you can see I can keep something alive that is green. All right, so on this Thursday, stay cool, because you will. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.